Some time ago, I had somebody request an airflow and a suction test on my SteamVac, which of course doesn't have anything to do with steam, it's just a water extractor. So I'm going to do just a raw motor test on this. I haven't put this on the airflow box. So the numbers that you're going to see is just going to be what the raw motor can actually do. And I'm going to do this live, so camera work might be a little wiggly. This is a 9.2 amp motor in here, so it's not particularly powerful. And this unit was made in 1999, although we've had it since 2000. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. See, right here is where I'm going to measure this. It's got a little opening right down there. This is the exhaust, by the way, and then that's the intake. That's where all the action happens. And this machine is pretty loud overall. So when I turn it on, turn your volume down. All right, I think that'll be good. First things first, let's see if we can get the suction. So I've got this little adapter, and there is a seal on there. And I think I'm getting a pretty good seal. I've tested this earlier a few times, and we'll see if I can get numbers that are pretty repeatable. There we go. I think you can see that. All right, here we go. All right, we're at 64 inches of lift. Not quite what I thought. And yes, I've tried this now multiple times, and I do believe I'm still getting a good seal down there. Then for the airflow, I've got this little adapter. The airflow is a bit of a surprise. I don't want to give it away just yet, but it was definitely more than what I thought. Now, of course, this is just a raw motor spec. So that is not going to be the same thing as what you get down at the nozzle that hits the carpet. That's not going to be representative of that at all. And there we go. All right, I got to make sure we still have a decent focus. And you know what? Can't really see that well, so let's tilt this down a bit. Ooh, we got glare. All right, I think we can live with that. I'm hoping. All right, let her rip. Yep, I'm as surprised as you are. 5492. Okay. $143.3 CFM from the motor input right down there. So, geez, not quite what I was expecting. The water lift is, well, by today's standards, it's decidedly mediocre. But the airflow is really tremendous. Of course, when you go and you put on the bucket and everything else, obviously what you get is something very, very different. So anyway, the person who requested it, there you go, and hope you enjoyed it. This is just kind of a quick video. Thanks for watching.